Playback.
When I bounce out, niggas start running the dunking. 3-round burst on the back of my Glock. I tapped 4 times and let off a dozen. He ran, but when them shots went off and hit him, his ass start screaming and stumbling. Watch Big guy when he get too quiet, cause that mean that he's scheming and he up to something.
Back with another video at the shop.
Look, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
Nice ass short bit.
I paid my shit paid. I don't want nobody stalling because I already lost out on the motor. I gotta go buy again. So my next 2 projects, finish this and then start on that other fucking car. Now let me ask you a question about that. That one will be next.
What up, my guy? Yeah, this bitch look gangster right here, boy. You don't see no cars like this. Look a little dusty. Need to wash it a little bit. Yeah. But shit, this what we here for, though. We here to see this truck. Yeah, this bitch looks smooth, though. Let this motherfucker smooth though. They got this bitch on there. They welded the shit out that bitch. You can't even tell. They got a little bit more work to do and shit, as you can see. But shit, I mean, this motherfucker is starting to look a little good though. They putting this bitch together though, for sure. That's for sure. For those that haven't seen the truck yet, shit, here it go. This shit been done for years, man. Shit, it just needed a refresh though on the body, you know. Had to get that cancer out. What the fuck we gonna call it, cancer? Get that shit out of there. This bitch still is looking good though. They got this bitch straight as a motherfucker. Yeah. Shit, I think he gonna get rid of these motherfuckers. I told him. I think he gonna brew this.
Here. Back it one more time. Good to go.
Both sides, put your hand on there.
Oh, this shit ain't going nowhere. Man. That shit is gone.
And then when I'm done with it, I'm gonna do this for you. And that shit gets hard.
Ain't shit nothing come back to that.
And then the only problem back there is that
This motherfucker's starting to look good though. It's most definitely starting to look good. They brought this truck back to life. Yeah. This motherfucker right here though is nice. Gonna be a nice car, but yeah, this truck though shit, it came a long way.
and then this is the different chemical holes.
So it didn't come with it? No, I was gonna say, yeah. We'll see when we get to that point. Like, once you get it real, see. Because there might be some new ones I can get or something. I don't know. I just want to kind of put it back, have her back nice. So that's it, like shit. It just the color. I looked at some of these and I I was gonna ask you, I know you the one to paint this shit. The actual.
Yeah, this motherfucker.
Some of them chameleons don't like them, some of them candy pearls. I like them, so I don't know. Like we was looking at my wife first thing she wanted was like that brandy wine and then it was one like a tangerine.
I painted that one. Like
That's that one on that fucking car, right?
Yeah.
Green one. How was that?
Trying to decide the paint right now. He don't know what he want to do. He don't know what color he want to do. I told his ass he should do like a burnt orange or like a candy green. Something to play off the top, you know what I'm saying? Shit, even like a brown sugar, like a root beer, shit like that. That shit'd be tough. That shit'd be tough. Yeah, but the motherfucker coming together though.
Green, and that's why I told him this shit goes to any fucking thing. It don't even matter. Cause back in Milwaukee, they had these colors. They had this shit all inside their cars and on top.
Let me see them colors. Chameleons.
Yeah, you just gotta pick the right one.
Yeah. Like I was looking to see the different, what they share. That different colors at times. So that's where I'm at now. And then I was like, how much do you think you could need? So like these are gallon kits. So when you read it, do one gallon.
But shit, this they projects right here. It looks like got this Monte Carlo they working on. A project right there. Got this Monte Carlo. Shit, it look like they really work on anything, to be honest. Shit, regular cars, old schools, trucks, minivans. Shit, anything. Really. Man, inside this bitch clean as hell. Man, let they work on anything, man. Let they do some good ass work too. Some good work. Yeah, you don't see too many of these right here. I don't even know what the fuck this is. A Chrysler. Yeah. This bitch old. This motherfucker is old, boy. God damn. I don't even know what the fuck this is. Chrysler K100. Okay, I guess that's what it is. So we got this Monte Carlo right here. Like he got a little bit of lowrider going on. Yeah. Like they got this Landau over here. Yeah. Project car for sure. Shit, it look like they do any and everything, so shit. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see their business. If y'all wanna get a paint job, come tap in. Lopez Auto Body. Y'all see the number right there. Y'all see their number right there. So shit, see what type of work they do. They do it all. They do it all from the looks of it. So shit, if y'all all want to tap in, if y'all live want to tap in, get y'all car painted, here y'all go. Hit their ass up. Don't hit me up. That's they shit right there. Shit, y'all know we out here. This motherfucking Cadillac. I know. Shit, hell yeah. Yeah. This motherfucking C10, this bitch nasty. Yeah, this bitch clean as hell. Super. Yeah, this bitch super nice. Benz over there. Yeah, this bitch clean as hell. I'm gonna build me one of these bitches one day. Motherfucking nice.
Playback.
When I bounce out, niggas start running the dunkin'. 3-round burst on the back of my Glock. I tapped 4 times and let off a dozen. He ran, but when them shots went off and hit him, his ass start screaming and stumbling. Watch big guy when he get too quiet, cause that mean that he's scheming and he up to something.